Hello and welcome. We will be discussing the power of combining the blood type diet and intermittent fasting. Both intermittent fasting and the blood type diets are wonderful alone, but when combined they are a fat melting power team. With the blood type diet you are restricted to eating particular foods for your particular blood type. Eating for your blood type has many benefits such as improved heart health. Any plant-based diet is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and low in saturated and trans fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lower risk of certain cancers, including colon, breast, and prostate cancers. Better weight management. This diet is lower calories and higher in fiber, which can help with weight loss and management. Improved digestion. All plant-based diets like the blood type diet is rich in fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and improve gut health. Lower risk of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and certain autoimmune diseases. Reduced environmental impact. This diet can reduce the environmental impact of food production, as plant-based foods generally require less land, water, and other resources than animal-based foods. To find out how the blood type diet works and why you should only be eating certain foods, click here. With intermittent fasting you are eating a certain time, so you give yourself a long break between eating windows. This has many benefits for the entire body, and if you fast long enough your body goes into autophagy. Benefits of fasting include but are not limited to weight loss. Fasting promotes weight loss by reducing calorie intake and increasing metabolism. This break gives your body a chance to burn stored fat. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation, which may help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Improved brain function. Some studies suggest that fasting can improve brain function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Increased lifespan. Animal studies suggest that fasting may increase lifespan by promoting cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. However, it is important to note that the benefits of fasting may vary depending on individual factors such as age, sex, and overall health status. Additionally, it is important to maintain a balanced and healthy diet during the eating periods and to stay hydrated throughout the fasting period. Autophagy should be the goal. Be sure to consult your doctor before beginning anything new. Even though fasting is difficult, especially with fast food additions and emotional eating, the benefits are incredible if you can stick with it. There are many ways to fast. The most popular recently is the 8-hour eating window, so that means you go 16 hours without eating, hopefully 8 of those are sleeping hours. You need this time to get rid of stored fat. When your body is busy burning food you eat, it cannot burn stored fat. When you start going over 15 to 16 hours fasting, then you start hitting autophagy. Avoid autophagy if you have certain medical conditions, pregnant or nursing. Why would you want to go into autophagy? Autophagy is a cellular process in which cells break down and recycle their own damaged or unwanted components, such as misfolded proteins, damaged organelles, and intracellular pathogens. Here are some potential effects of autophagy. Improved cellular health. Autophagy plays a critical role in maintaining cellular health by removing damaged or dysfunctional components that could otherwise accumulate and cause cellular damage or even cell death. Anti-aging effects. Autophagy has been linked to longevity and may help protect against age-related diseases by reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular repair and regeneration. Enhanced immune function. Autophagy plays a crucial role in removing intracellular pathogens and damaged organelles that could otherwise impair immune function. Reduced inflammation. Autophagy can help reduce inflammation by removing damaged or dysfunctional components that could trigger an inflammatory response. Improved metabolism. Autophagy has been linked to improved glucose and lipid metabolism, which could help reduce the risk of metabolic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and obesity. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is the money you save eating one less meal a day. It is not natural for us to eat all day, we only do this because society tells us. Corporations are making millions on our addictions. Now for your bonus tip. If you can garden, we highly recommend it. Gardening is fun for the whole family and you have a lot of food to cook and eat. The memories from gardening are priceless. The way inflation is rising, most people are starting gardens and chicken coops already. If you don't cook from home yet, you should, and get your kids into it. They will thank you when they are older. We need to trade our bad habits for good habits, not only for us but for the future generation. Self-parenting isn't fun but needs to be done. If you have a garden, what is your favorite thing to grow? You may comment and compare below. I personally have to have squash, my mom always had to have cherry tomatoes in her garden. Thanks for watching, please be kind and like this video if the information was helpful and video entertaining. Subscribe if you want more.